Engineers from the University of Tokyo and the Advanced Technology Center for Robotics have unveiled an unusual form of transportation, an assistant robot that transforms into a small scooter or Segway. As an assistant, Kangaroo can follow its owner and carry items such as groceries or other belongings. If the person gets tired, they can command the robot to transform, and it will turn into a simple mobile vehicle. Its maximum speed is 10 kilometers per hour. As a vehicle, it can navigate on its own using maps and positioning systems, and it also employs an environment recognition system. However, there is also a manual mode in which Kangaroo functions like a regular scooter, although in an emergency the robot takes control to avoid collisions. Currently, the Kangaroo robot is still in the development stage, and it is unknown when something like it will be available for purchase. The creators envision a future where everyone has such an assistant robot which can be summoned like a taxi, providing a comfortable and safe ride to the store or work. The Japanese company Roids Tech has unveiled its new three-wheel mobility platform called the Raptor. This unique vehicle is truly impressive. Its special feature lies in the car body being divided into two parts. The upper part, the design unit, and the lower part, the base block, which can be separated or combined. A 48-volt battery powers the device, allowing it to reach a cruising speed of 30 km per hour and maintain continuous operation for up to 40 km. It is classified as a motor-assisted bicycle and requires a driver's license. Roids Tech believes that the Raptor will create new businesses and cultures, as well as bring fundamental changes and growth to the world of mobility infrastructure. Here is one of the most advanced AI-powered vehicles developed by Toyota Company. The Concept iWalk is a three-wheel vehicle designed for pedestrian zones. The scooter is equipped with an electric powertrain that allows it to travel distances up to 20 kilometers. Essentially, it is similar to a hoverboard, but the three wheels and the control joystick are designed to lower the requirements for the user's driving skills. Even elderly people can operate this Toyota invention. As the speed increases, the Concept iWalk extends, enlarging the wheelbase for additional stability. The range on a single charge is from 10 to 20 kilometers, and a display in the form of a sphere on top of the joystick is provided for interacting with the artificial intelligence. Thanks to AI, the vehicle can also independently navigate around obstacles. iWai is an innovative electric scooter model created by Japanese designer Mikiya Kobayashi in collaboration with automotive company Is and Seiki and Kuroku, one of the leading wooden furniture manufacturers in Japan. The scooter is designed for both indoor and outdoor use and features an aluminum frame with a soft wooden body. All its components are concealed behind the front panel and within the front wheels. It is also safe for elderly users. The maximum speed is limited to 4 km per hour, which is roughly equivalent to walking speed. Additionally, it is equipped with a built-in safety sensor that stops the scooter in case of any obstacles. The name iWai is derived from the first part of the acronym, which translates to Innovative Lifestyle for You, and the second part, which stands for Active and Intelligent. Honda's diverse interests are truly enviable, as the company aims to cover a wide range of transportation niches. In September, it was announced that the manufacturer decided to give a pleasant surprise to fans of progressive, unconventional electric technology by releasing the Honda Moto Compacto, a remake of the anonymous gas scooter that was born almost 40 years ago. The 2023 Moto Compacto has the following specifications: maximum speed of 24 km per hour, range on a single charge of up to 19 km, weight of 18.7 kg, and a charging time of 3.5 hours. The main control is handled by a single button under the display. Once turned on, the scooter switches to the first speed mode, accelerating up to 16 km per hour. This model is priced at $1,000. The company openly admits that the novelty was not designed as a cargo carrier or a racing vehicle. It is more intended for an eye-catching trip to the store or a ride in the park. 6 years ago, Yamaha first introduced the concept of the electric motorcycle Motoroid, which looked like an invention from a science fiction movie. Now Yamaha has unveiled the second version of its futuristic Motoroid concept motorcycle, equipped with a pivoting swing arm, AI-powered facial recognition, and the ability to self-balance. The rear part of the motorcycle can tilt independently of the front, and it lacks traditional handlebars. The Yamaha Motoroid 2 takes significant liberties in design, avoiding much of the mechanics of traditional motorcycles. It is designed to be self-balancing and potentially an autonomous vehicle. The active center of gravity control system helps the motorcycle orient itself precisely in space and avoid tipping over. Additionally, the advanced AI module allows it to recognize faces, understand a multitude of commands and learn during operation. The Will Model F, developed by the Japanese company Will Inc., is a foldable, lightweight power chair designed for easy transportation and enhanced mobility. Weighing around 24 kilograms without battery and folding in less than 3 seconds, it is convenient for travel on planes, buses and trains as well as for storage in small spaces. Key features include a top speed of 6 km per hour and a range of up to 20 km on a single charge, although practical usage may see slightly lower ranges depending on conditions. It has a narrow turning radius of 30.7 inches, making it highly maneuverable in tight spaces, and it can handle inclines up to 10 degrees and obstacles up to 1.4 inches high. The Model F can be controlled via a smartphone application, allowing for remote driving and performance adjustments. It also offers customizable options including adjustable arm widths and various color choices for arm covers. Honda has unveiled a wheelchair called UniOne equipped with special technologies. This unique wheelchair offers a mixed reality experience not only to people with disabilities. The specialized wheelchair ensures user safety by preventing any tipping over thanks to its self-balance technology. Users of the UniOne can control the vehicle solely through body movements. However, Honda has integrated this wheelchair with a mixed reality headset. This integration allows users to play a game projected through the glasses while moving in the UniOne. According to Honda, the UniOne is designed for use both indoors and outdoors, making it suitable for large venues such as shopping malls and fairgrounds. If desired, UniOne users can help cover in the sky and play specially optimized racing games. The Japanese company Kawahara and Nama Labs at the University of Tokyo have developed Poo, an innovative electric scooter that offers a unique solution for urban transportation. Poo, portable and inflatable mobility, features an inflatable design, making it extremely lightweight and portable. The electric scooter weighs only 5.5 kilograms when deflated, making it easy to carry. It is made of thermoplastic polyurethane, TPU, which ensures a lightweight and durable construction. It inflates using a small pump in just a few minutes, providing a sturdy and stable platform for riding. When inflated, Poo is about 1 meter long, making it compact enough for convenient storage. The maximum speed reaches 15 kilometers per hour, which is ideal for short city trips, and the range on a single charge is about 20 kilometers, sufficient for daily city commutes. A 2050W motor built into the front wheel provides the necessary power for movement. Write in the comments what you liked most after watching this video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the Kairos Show channel. Also, check out our previous videos. See you next time.